Hi guys, this is the last part of my stash for 2024. This is a War of the Gods pack by Caractacus Pots. Last year it was known as Avengers. I've also been told it's the same as Prime's Full House, but whether that's true or not, I'm not sure. There is a total of 9 barrages inside. Some are max bore, as you can see the top ones there, 30mm. Decent amount of powder in them, 320, 295 in that one. You've got your Apollo, which is your 56 shot. I would say the finale cake out of this pack, which if it was in Full House, that would be Casino. Yeah, some smaller 16 shotters. There's 20mm, 25mm and 30mm in the box, all with a decent amount of powder in them. So yeah, got that. And then I picked up Emperor, excuse the filming, by Classic, 130 shot, 997 grams, I believe. Yeah, 80-second duration, 16-metre width of effects, 25-metre height. Finale piece, 130 shots from 20mm tubes. And I picked up Colourful Sky by Classic. It's got all tube sizes in here, 20, 25 and 30. 68 shot, 45-second duration, 14 effects from both straight and fanned tubes. And then finally, Profi Show number 2, which has got 1,000 grams in it. It's upside down, 100 shots, 10 different effects, and it lasts 75 seconds. So yeah, that's it now. I'm done. Have a great bonfire night, everybody. Enjoy.